I came across Earthlight through two mutual friends that had solar panels installed, and they recommended Earthlight. Steve that came out, he was really good, very informative, and the installers were really good, so it's just been a positive experience altogether. I did compare Earthlight with two other companies, and I felt most comfortable being with Earthlight because of my friends that recommended Earthlight. I thought Steve was very helpful in the process of trying to figure out if this company was correct for me. I definitely appreciated the installation process, the level of comfort with the people that came to install it, and they walked me through the whole process and reassured me that the job was going to be done correctly. I would recommend Earthlight just because overall it's been a great experience.